Hello, Gemini.
Hello, how can I help you today?
You see this paper?
Yes, I can see the paper. It appears to be about the Arabic native Arabic GPT-based large language model.
Okay, so I would like your help for me to understand this paper.
Okay, I can help you with that. What specifically would you like to understand about the paper? For example, would you like a summary, an explanation of a particular section, or something else?
I want just to know the contribution of this paper.
Okay, the paper's main contribution is the introduction of a series of transformer-based models specifically designed for Arabic. These models, called Arabian GPT, address the limitations of existing models by focusing on the unique characteristics of the Arabic language. They also present an Arabic tokenizer that is more suitable for this purpose. The paper also shows the effectiveness of these fine-tuned models on different tasks. Would you like more detail on any of these points?
That makes sense, okay? So there are a few things I didn't understand in this paper. It seems that they have used this objective function. Can you elaborate more about this objective function and how it is used in these type of language models?
Certainly. The objective function, shown as a mathematical formula in the paper, is a way to quantify how well the language model is performing. In simple terms, it's a metric that the model tries to optimize during training. This objective function is used to maximize the likelihood of predicting the next word in a sequence, given the previous words. It does this by iteratively adjusting the model's parameters, using an algorithm called stochastic gradient descent. Do you have further questions regarding this function or the training process?
Do you see this mathematical equation number one?
Yes, I can see the mathematical equation labeled as number one. Is there something specific you would like to know about it?
Yeah, explain me this sum of logarithmic of probabilities.
Certainly. The equation represents the objective function for training the language model. The capital sigma symbol that looks like a large E means sum. Specifically, it means that we sum the terms inside the parentheses for all values from I equals 1 to t, so all words. Within the parenthesis, we have log, the natural logarithm, applied to a probability. That probability is p of ui, given u1, and then a vertical line, and then ui1, and then theta. The probability of the words is defined as the conditional probability of the word ue, given the preceding words u1 to we1, parameterized by theta. In simple words, it's adding up the log probabilities of predicting each word given the words that came before it. This sum is what the model tries to maximize during training. Is that helpful?
It makes sense, okay. And what about this picture, this figure number one?
Okay, I see figure 1. It depicts the architecture of the ARABIAN GPT 0.1 model. In the diagram, there are 5 blocks labeled text and position embeddings, masked multi-self-attention, 2 normalization blocks, and 1 feed-forward block. The blocks are connected by arrows, showing the direction in which the data flows. The diagram also has labels text prediction and task classifier, both of them pointing upwards, before starting again in the first step, creating a cycle. The label 12x also highlights how the cycle repeats itself 12 times. In short, this diagram shows how the model transforms input text into predictions. Do you have specific questions about the different components of the model, or would you like me to explain something else in the figure?
This is fine, thank you.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can assist you with regarding this paper?
No, that's fine.